Welcome to MLM Softworks. This is actually our administrator login demo. So you can log in with these details. The administrator login. Currently, this is the dashboard of our MLM software. So you can see the distributor members count and the sales revenue total amount and the paid closed details and the available e-pins. You can see here. Actually, e-pin is called as a prepaid system. It is for the purpose of member joining and the repurchase futures. And you can see the sales flow charts here and the monthly joining charts here. There is no data though, so it's not any charts loaded here. So then the top 5 earners of the overall lifetime, you can see the top 5 earners. Top 3 also is there. Okay. Then profit status. Total sales is about 36,000 and the paid of around 9, paid pending around 18. So overall gross profit or loss is 9,000. So upcoming birthdays list will be here. So here is the dashboard of our MLM system. So here you can see the overall future of the to-do tasks and the system general plan settings and the profile admin profile you can edit here. So here is the support. Here is the support for our system. So you can pin also some shortcuts you want to. So next one is distributors. Distributors menu having uh, four submenus. So distributors list. So you can see the distributors menu list here. You can edit member profile. It's all around members, right? You can search them. You can filter them with their joining date, and you can see their earnings payout statements to click here. And you can see the welcome letter, ID card, genealogy tree, downline will be here. You can see, for example, you can see the downline genealogy tree here. So here is the member. First member is genealogy tree. So the tree is unlimited depth is going. So click on any member in the tree and see his own downline. So empty vacant seats shown as for our new member registrations. So you can click here and you can continue with the joining form, registration form. Here is the standard joining form. You can customize it as per your own. So then it's a welcome letter. So you can so it is the welcome letter of some member. So you can see the welcome letter is a normal form of every MLM companies. So then ID card. So you can see the ID card also. It is a member ID card. It is not non-printable. It is just for the format. Then it is the new registration. The same we already seen. So then the menu is products. Products menu, you can see the package and the sales tax and the cost menus. You can edit and delete over it. Add product. You can add new products as well. You can see the genealogy tree now. You can search by member ID and you can get the details of genealogy as per we told it is unlimited depth. You can see by clicking the member icon you can see his own download. So next one is downline report. So here is the leg count of particular member, left 3, right 3, something. Actually this the demo plan actually describes the binary plan. So you can see the binary plan on downline report here. Next one, direct referral. It's a direct sponsor also, right? So you can see the direct referrals of a particular member ID here. Then commission and payout. So you can generate payout for the particular week. So this is the bind and commission, the full commission, total TDS is kind of tax and deduction, the around net payment. So you can simply select all and you can select the date and you can just simply close payout. The demo actually restricts some futures for the security purpose. Okay. So next one is statement. So here is already generated payouts. So you can get the statement here. So this is statement. So in statement also you can get the payouts by in format of Excel sheet format for actually the purpose of transferring payment to the bank through bank. So it is for using them. Next one is TDS report. It's kind of tax report. You can get the tax report by generating like this: tax amount, tax month, tax year, some kind of. Okay. Actually, it's a daily binary report, which is the most important feature in our software. This one describes the daily binary report here. You can see a particular member's daily binary earnings will be here. Next thing is ePIN prepaid. ePIN prepaid actually using for the say prepaid system, prepaid coupon like a kind of system. So total product NSP skincare, total sales 10. So used 1, unused 9, sales 30,000. Okay. So ePIN report, you can get the details of ePIN report. ePIN serial, issued date, used by member, used ID, for which using ID. This one kind of. You can generate ePIN. You can generate unlimited ePINs with our system. Some MLM software restricted the ePIN generation, but we never restriction anything. Quantity you can click 1 lakh to also. Actually the system, actually it is for restriction, it is some restriction here, so you can see you cannot see this one. So you can simply click member ID and you can generate ePINs here. Okay. An ePIN request, member also can request ePIN, and you can upload or decline by admin. Okay. Next one is campaigns. You can send bulk email from ID to ID, subject and message. You can see you can send emails as well as SMS. You can send the same SMS campaign. You can send, you can you can select from ID to ID, subject and message. You can send now. Okay. Next one, archive. What are the archive campaigns? She already done. Okay. Here, this is campaign type is email. Okay. Next one is awards and rewards. Awards and rewards. You first you should configure your awards and rewards here. you can eligible criteria, reward and ranking you can give here, and then you simply click the generation, you can generate button, and the system is generates the achievers as per your criteria, these ones. So refresh, you can say, you can do refresh to uh, regenerate the system to find out whom the achievers, whom the new achievers of now. Okay, then the inventory module as general inventory module, actually inventory status will be here. You can see the, you can see particular products purchase, sales and available quantity here. So here is the uh, thing. So you can also do sales, you can get bill, you can discount, you can deliver details, you can do everything here. The whole inventory system is here. There's a purchases, it is a purchases module. You can add new purchase, rate, quantity, subtotal, tax, transport, total, everything will be here. So total inventory system will be here. You can add suppliers too. You can add new suppliers, you can edit them, some of them, you can do anything. So the data is okay. This one is purchases. You can add easily. So next one is delivery management. Delivery records, you can see here whatever delivery, which member and which sales bill you can use, send it already. So status, you can update, member can also see the report there, their panel. It's the delivery report, delivery management. You can add more couriers, you can add FedEx, DHL, the professional, whatever couriers you want to, you can add here. You can also add the tracking URL also, which is, if it is available, you can add is the tracking URL. Okay, then the MIS reports, which is the major important thing in our system. Actually, the profit loss statement, you can get the you can pick by date. Actually, we generate something. Okay, okay. This is the gross profit. This is the net loss. Actually, this is in loss. Gross profit or loss, which we will be here. Actually, this is the demo system. We had some sales cost will be here. So the system is the calculation, the numbers maybe is wrong, but the system will give you the accurate profit and loss account for your business. Next thing is sales report. So sales report, you can see sales report date wise. You can see date 8th generates 3000 sales, and the kind of, you can see the sales report here, list of sales amount. The same like the joining report. You see the joining reports. You can see the joining report here, date and joiners list. You can see the geographical report, which city, or which country we getting members from. So this is Chennai, the Coimbatore. There is, if any member gives no details in city field, it will be available in here, unknown field. Okay, Trichy, Madurai, Coimbatore. and there is a joiners of here. Okay, then the news updates is kind of public updates and custom announcement. Yeah, admin in our MLM software, every the admin can send a message to particular member or a group of members through this. Uh, okay, you can see the leave 0 if this is news for everyone. If particular member, you can see the just add the member ID, and the news. What is the news about? Welcome to the member software kind of. So group announcement, urgent notice, a reminder. What kind of announcement is this? This is the group. So warning, whatever it is, you can save Sanjay, it will be sent. So custom announcement, you see the same custom announcement. So next thing is system settings. You can add anything, you can customize anything with our software. You can change the logo, you can change the company name, you can currency signs, you can subtitle, footer logo, footer name, SMS APIs, tax and deductions, binary incentive modules. You can control the you can control overall system, right here, right. You can change the binary tree images also here, whatever tree is. So you want to join EPIN joining system, administrator approval system, you can add, you can change by yourself. Pair matching bonus, reference bonus, daily ceiling. Daily ceiling already is unlimited, so it will be here, right? So you can change text and directions. You can change SMS API details here. You can change anything will be here. You never depend any member, any developer for changing your plan as well. Here, okay, this is our admin panel demo. So overall, you enjoy the demo, I think so. Thanks. Hi, hello. This is welcome to MLMsoftworks.com. This is our MLM software's user panel, member panel demo. Actually, this is one is our member panel dashboard. You can see the downline report, paid details, pending payment details, direct referrals of our own referrals. You can see the earning graph here, notifications. Okay, this one is welcome letter. This is the welcome letter. This is standard format of MLM systems. You can customize it also. ID card. This one is ID card. Business card. Kind of visiting card. Can see the business card. Members genealogy tree. This members genealogy tree. This is actually unlimited. You can click any member by his icon, and you can get his details. Okay. Downline. It's a downline report. You can just click with downline and you can see them. Direct referrals of our own referral report. E-pins having some extra transaction password which is need to enter. Okay, this is our e-pin bank. We have one e-pin used and others are unused. So a member can use e-pins for registration purpose, and of course he can transfer e-pins to another member uh, to use the same. Transfer history. So this is as sender, user, receiver. We send particular product to e-pin on this date. Payout statements. There is no records found. Okay, if it is payment statement, you can get the statement report also. Okay, so daily earnings, this one is shows the daily earnings report by date wise, and the left and right count. Actually this is a binary plan MLM software. The other things are the same in our another other plans also. You can you can simply ch- you can simply get the different version of genealogy tree, and the payout and the daily earnings report also will be differ. Okay, this is a comparison report. You can you can change members profile, you can change the password, you can change the profile photo, anything you can customize. Okay, thanks.